Royal icing has so many great baking uses, but my favorite has to be making decorated sugar cookies. This delicious way of creating sugar art was one of the first things I ever learned in baking. Good for so much more than just gingerbread houses, this royal icing recipe will take your decorations to the next level, whether making beautiful flowers, fun icing transfers, or delicate cake swags. I'm Lauren, and today at the Princess Baker, I'm going to show you how to make my go-to royal icing recipe with a citrus kiss of lemon. To start, we are going to weigh our powdered sugar. Powdered sugar is the main ingredient in royal icing, and it's best to use a scale so you know your portions are correct. My royal icing recipe calls for 2 pounds of it. My recipe can also easily be doubled or halved, which is great when you need smaller or larger amounts. When I get to 2 pounds, I stop. Now it's time to sift. I set up the bowl that my ingredients will be mixed in and sift the powdered sugar directly into it. You want to make sure you sift it to avoid getting any clumps. Sifting the powdered sugar removes these clumps caused by moisture and humidity and makes the sugar fluffier by adding air back into it. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome to the Princess Baker. Each week I share recipes and decorating tips, so like, share, and subscribe to see what I make next. Continue sifting the powdered sugar until you finish the bowl. There's always a few stubborn pieces that won't get through. Discard those, and now look at how perfect our powdered sugar is. Next, we are going to add meringue powder. Meringue powder takes the place of raw egg whites, which is found in traditional royal icing recipes. You can find meringue powder in most craft stores with a baking section as well as online. I will leave a link to where I get mine below. Now we add cream of tartar. No, it's not like tartar sauce you serve with seafood. Cream of tartar helps stabilize whipped egg whites, or in this case, our meringue. Now we whisk all our dry ingredients together until combined. Okay, wet ingredients. We start with fresh squeezed lemon juice for the citrus kiss. I've also used orange and grapefruit juice for this recipe, and they work beautifully as well. Now vanilla extract. Whether I use regular or clear depends solely on if I'm making white or colored icing. Since I'm making white today, I'm using clear vanilla extract to avoid any excess brown hue in my icing. Lastly, we add water to thin out the consistency. Have a little extra on hand as well in case you need to thin it out further during mixing. Okay, it's time to mix it all together. I like to use my stand mixer for this, but you can of course use a hand mixer as well. Use your paddle attachment and start mixing on low speed and then work your way up to a more moderate one. Do you know where royal icing got its name from? It first got the name royal when it was used to coat and decorate Queen Victoria's wedding cake in 1840. Naturally, if the royals did it, then we had to copy it. And then it became popular in the United States, so everyone could decorate like a princess.